So got to move that bike, put it back in the third floor of the barn with the lull. Did it once. Some loser Seth wanted to take it down again to work on it. We brought it back down. He didn't do a goddamn thing to it. So now we gotta move it again so we could get a real bike in here. I gotta bring one of my bikes over here because I'm in the process of moving. Don't got nowhere to keep it or finish it. So I'm grateful I got a good boss. He's gonna let me bring it over here and finish it up over here. Let's fucking go. Thank God we put this thing up here once and it had to come right back down because somebody wanted to fix it. And guess what? They never fixed it. So, sorry, but this old Yamaha's got to get the fuck out of the way so we could put the Suzuki in there. We got this nice beam in the way. It's going to be a nice fit. Thank God we've done it before. Percy, get! Go! Ah, you got it too? Yes! Did you see the new handle they got? It's got a built-in battery. Yo, you like that position? You're gonna have to go that way slightly. Yup. You should be able to boom it from there. All right, I gotta put this down so I can drag this in. That's how you do it, ladies and gents.